All right, let's dive right in. Today we're looking at a very specific, but I think a vital piece of broadcast gear. The Datavideo CB-46 all-in-one snake cable.
Yeah.
And our mission here isn't just to, read a spec sheet, is to figure out the engineering behind cramming two different signals into one cable and why this 98-foot version matters so much in a live production.
Exactly. We're translating the tech specs into what it means on a set when the clock is ticking. This cable, it's really a physical example of synchronization.
Synchronization, how so?
Well, it controls the distance and the quality of your video feed, your HD feed, while also making sure your crew knows instantly which camera is live.
Okay, so let's get into that. The integration, it's called a snake cable because it bundles an SDI video cable and a 5-pin XLR tally cable into one jacket. But wait a second. Running a tally signal right next to a high-bandwidth video stream? Isn't that just a recipe for interference?
That's the million-dollar corn, and it's where the real engineering comes in. The SDI cable, the serial digital interface, uses that heavy-duty 75-ohm BNC connector.
The broadcast standard.
The broadcast standard, exactly. It's designed for uncompressed HD video. The magic is in the internal shielding. It's all engineered to keep those lower voltage tally signals from bleeding into and, corrupting that clean video feed.
So for anyone running a multicam shoot, tally is it's non-negotiable. But for everyone else, let's quickly define it. What is that 5-pin XLR tally cable actually doing?
Tally is your instant nonverbal communication. It's the system that lights up that little red light on the camera.
Okay.
It tells the camera operator you're live, and it tells the person on screen where to look.
Yeah.
By putting it in the same cable, you kill the headache of running and taping two separate lines.
A huge time saver.
Oh, it's critical. Anyone who's had to do a last-minute cable pull knows that two separate cables will find a way to become an impossible knot every single time.
Right. So integration solves a very real, very frustrating production problem. But let's talk about the numbers on this specific model, the CB-46. It's 98 feet long, so about 30 meters. And the price today is $259. What did that price tag actually tell us?
A lot, actually, because if you look at the other options Datavideo has, the story of signal integrity gets really clear.
Okay.
So this one, 98 feet, is $259. But if you need to go longer, the 164-foot version, the CB-47, that jumps to $399.
It's a pretty big jump.
It is. And then if you need to go all the way out to 328 feet with the CB-24, you're looking at $819.
Wow.
That price scaling isn't arbitrary. It directly reflects the engineering needed to fight signal loss over distance. Keeping a professional HD picture stable over hundreds of feet, that takes some serious technical work, and you pay for every foot of that reliability.
I also spotted something else in the details here. It's listed as TAA compliant. Now, is that just some marketing term, or does it mean something?
No, that's actually a big deal for certain buyers. TAA is the Trade Agreements Act for government agencies, for some universities, for institutional buyers. TAA compliance can be a requirement to even purchase the product. It means it meets very specific sourcing and manufacturing standards. It's a marker of extreme reliability.
So it's quality guarantee, essentially.
In a way, yeah. It opens up its market way beyond just your typical AV company.
So to sum it all up for you, the Datavideo CB-46 is basically a single cable solution. It gives you broadcast quality video and that essential tally signal for up to 98 feet.
Right. And that leaves us with a really interesting final thought for you to consider.
Go on.
If the engineering needed to bundle these signals perfectly sets the maximum distance for a setup like this, how much does the hidden science of something as simple as a cable end up dictating the creative freedom, the actual camera placements of an entire live production team? Think about that.